to be very careful.
Here comes Awesome! Yuck, it's super slimy.
Tip, are you ready? Mr. Paco is here.
I'll be there in 1 minute. Let's see. Oh, no! I look super ugly. What'll I do now?
Oh! Oh!
What's wrong?
Well, I wanted to be handsome, and I messed up.
I'm sure it's not as terrible as you think. What did you do? Show me.
I can't.
Ooh. You couldn't be any uglier than that, right?
See? It's a disaster.
But no, Tip. You look like a beautiful woodpecker.
What's a woodpecker?
Here's one, see? It has a tuft like yours, and it's a handsome bird. Have you ever heard anyone say, "What an ugly woodpecker"?
Tip.
No, I haven't. Thanks. I have to go.
Tip,
Huh?
I just wanted to say that you look nice. Because of the tuft.
Everybody ready? Smile nicely now.